Mr. Williams' class. And talking about cell cycle.
There are two different ways that a cell can reproduce itself, either through asexual or sexual reproduction. They both create more cells and use some sort of egg. They both involve one parent or two parent cells. Asexual needs only one parent cell. Sexual needs two parent cells to happen.
Talking about cell reproduction. Talking about cell reproduction. Talking about cell reproduction.
Oh, that's cell reproduction.
Talking about the cell cycle. Talking about the cell cycle. Talking about the cell cycle.
And meiosis. Asexual reproduction doesn't need a maiden offspring, don't vary. It's when a single cell makes a copy of itself through mitosis. Sexual reproduction needs parent cells of different sexes made for meiosis. No offspring will be exactly the same. The new cell goes through the cell cycle, so will reproduce. Two main parts are interphase and mitotic phase.
Talking about cell reproduction. Talking about cell reproduction. Talking about cell reproduction.
Oh, that's cell reproduction.
Talking about the cell cycle. Talking about the cell cycle. Talking about the cell cycle.
And meiosis.
Cell cycle is what's the steps? Starts at 1 G1 where the cell grows. Goes to S, which DNA synthesis. Goes to G2, then to mitosis, which is prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Then to cytokinesis, where the cell splits into two. Repeats itself like all the cycles do. Meiosis, which forms reproductive cells. G1S, G2, then goes to meiosis 1. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase 1. Skips cytokinesis to start meiosis 2. It's prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase 2. Cytokinesis and meiosis ends. Like what?
Cell reproduction. Cell cycle and meiosis. Crossing over happens when chromosomes randomly swap parts. Meiosis forms gametes which have half of your DNA.
When gametes combine, it's a zygote. When gametes combine, it's a zygote. Or when gametes combine, it's a zygote.
Gamete combining.
Talking about cell reproduction. Talking about cell reproduction. Talking about cell reproduction.
Oh, that's cell reproduction.
Cell cycle and meiosis. Talking about cell cycle and meiosis. Talking about cell cycle and meiosis.